Hi everyone. In our previous session, we have learned how to use GlideQuery to insert a record when a parent record is inserted. A child task should be inserted. For that, we have used change request table as an example. So let's open that and check how it is working. So assume this change request table as a parent record. So when a new normal record is inserted, just give some information here. I'm giving short description and description here. So when a new change request is inserted, a change task will be inserted and attached to this change request. So this will act as a parent table. The change request table acts as a parent table, and the change task table will act as a child table. Okay. So for this, we have written a BR using GlideQuery. You can watch that GlideQuery in my previous session. So today the demo case will be when the parent records is updated, any particular field on parent record is updated, all the child records associated with that parent should be updated. Let us create some more tasks here so that we can show how multiple records are updated. So let's say here short description and description. So just submit this task. As we have multiple records, so the use case in this case will be when the short description of the parent record is updated, the associated tasks short description will be updated. So we can do this using GlideQuery. So let's write GlideQuery on this table. So for that, we need to open business rules on change request table as action is happening on the change request table, which is considered as parent. So let's open a new glide record. Sorry, new business rule. Here I'm new demo update glide query VR mark advanced, as we can do some scripting. Here after updating we are using, why? Because after updating this record, after updating short description, so we'll mention that in filter condition. For that, short description changes, this action should be happen. What should happen? The records should be updated, associated tasks short description should be updated. For that, we need to write glide query, new glide query of the task table name here. So just open any particular task and take the table name here. Here you can mention the task table. As we have add query in glide record, we have dot where method in glide query. For that, we have to take the related field here. So we have change request parent field as change underscore request here. So we'll take the same field and we'll mention it here. And the value will be current record sysID, the parent record sysID. This way we can use the sysID. Then we have dot update multiple method to update multiple records. As we have discussed in our earlier sessions of GlideQuery introduction, you can find it there. We can write update multiple of, we have to mention like a JSON like JavaScript object here. So we are giving the field name in this. So just take short description. We'll update short description and description as well. So first we will update short description here. So then we can map it with current record short description, which is the parent record short description. So just take parent record short description value here. Let's paste it. This is done. Just save it and check how it is working. So the use case here is when we update short description under the parent record, the change request record, the associated tasks short description must be changed. So let's test that. I'm using updating using GlideQuery. So when I save this, the same message which we have given in the short description field should be copied to the tasks here. Let's save this and check. Once the record is saved, just scroll down to the tasks. As you can see here, the short description of tasks updated, same which is mentioned in the parent. So this way you can create VRs using GlideQuery In our upcoming sessions, we'll discuss more scenarios and use cases on GlideQuery. So keep watching. Thank you.